Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming requirements. You need an Apple ID, a secure passcode, and a recent iOS version. Once done, open the Wallet app. This is where cards and passes live. If Wallet isn't visible, go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay and enable it. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is set up. Apple Pay relies on biometric or passcode authentication. Now tap the plus button in Wallet to add your first card and move to data entry. Point the camera at your card or choose manual entry and type number, expiration, and CVC. Include billing address exactly as the bank has it. Tap Next. Your bank or card issuer will verify the card. Verification commonly uses an SMS code, a bank app notification, or a phone call. Follow the prompt. Once verified, your card appears in Wallet. Make sure notifications are allowed so you receive verification and transaction alerts, and optionally set this card as your default. After verification, set a default card in Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, or long press a card in Wallet and choose Default. Add transit cards and boarding passes by tapping Add to Wallet in apps or emails. To pay, hold the top of your iPhone near the reader with Face ID or use Touch ID. If adding fails, update iOS and restart the iPhone. If problems persist, contact your bank to confirm the card is enabled for Apple Pay. This is the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.